Hi dear traders!
Hello, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. This edition will be presented by us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching the currency and commodity markets roundup for the last week.
What moves were unfolding on the currency market?
The US dollar went on with a steady advance against rival currencies.
And what exactly pushed the US dollar to new highs?
Optimism about the outcome of the US presidential election is setting the tone for financial markets, as market participants almost fully expect the US Fed to raise the funds rate in December. On Thursday, US Fed Chair Janet Yellen stated in her testimony before the Congress that the rate hike is likely to come relatively soon. On Friday close, the US dollar index, a measure of the US currency against a basket of 6 rivals, rallied to its highest level since April 2003. The US dollar index closed last trading week at 101.41, having surged 202 basis points. In November, the index has gained about 3%, following the US presidential election amid a rally of the US 10-year bond yields. Trump's trade stance drove a sharp sell-off in bonds. Besides, the US currency is buoyed by the expectations that Trump, at the helm of the government, will launch massive fiscal stimulus that might put economic growth into high gear and bring about higher inflation. In the previous week, the euro sank to 1.0588 against the US dollar, an 11-month low. For the week, the single European currency lost 2.16%, or 259 pips. Besides, the US dollar rose to a 5.5-month high against the Japanese yen. The dollar-yen pair closed the week at 110.89, having grown 4.40. The Swiss franc, which is viewed as a safe haven asset, dropped to a 9-month low versus the US rival. The dollar-franc pair slipped to 1.0122 in late Friday's trade. Its weekly growth is 231 pips. This week, quiet trading is expected in global financial markets as traders head out for the Thanksgiving Day holiday. Markets will shut on Thursday and then close early on Black Friday. And that's all about the main market moves on Forex. What sentiment was dominating among commodity investors last week?
Oil closed on Friday, logging the first weekly gain in a month.
What aroused optimism among energy investors?
Traders are still clinging to the hope that major oil exporters will agree a production cut deal at the OPEC summit in November end. However, oil displayed cautious growth as on Friday Baker Hughes reported that the weekly oil rig count added 19 drilling rigs. Thus, the number of US oil rigs increased to 471. On the whole, oil is trading under pressure amid the strong US dollar. Oil futures finished modestly high on Friday. January Brent crude added 37 cents to $46.86 a barrel. Prices for the global benchmark gained to $2.11 for the week. The December West Texas Intermediate rose 27 cents to settle at $45.69 a barrel. WTI crude $2.28 last week. What's more, on Friday, gold plummeted to the lowest level since May of 2016, amid the US dollar rally. At COMEX, the diversion of the New York Mercantile Exchange, December gold futures declined to $1,202 5 cents at 3 ounce on Friday. At present, gold is facing challenge amid the soaring US dollar in the wake of the US presidential election. Gold prices are also wind down amid expectations for the rate hike by the US Fed in December.
You have watched the weekly update on the currency and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
It has been presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
And Ekaterina Stikhina.
Good luck and see you later.
Bye.